we'll learn how to delete or drop our tables. Already we have mounted our drive to Google Colab, and then you have the connection string. If you are not seen this, then watch our first video on this series to understand that. Now let's start with our importing the library from alchemy.exe import. I am importing SQL error here. So this there. Now we'll use a try and exit block. With this, it will help us in identifying the error messages if it is generated. So now onwards we'll use this concept always, try and exit block with else. Also you can watch our video on Python basics about this. Now let's try. Inside try we'll keep our query. So my connection is the my connection, execute. Let's say here I am writing the SQL drop table student. Fine, now this is there. Now I will go to accept. Now SQL give me error as E. Fine, now let me get the error message. Error is equal to str. Now E dot dict, the constructor I am using. Now ig. Fine, now let's say print error. That's all, the error will be printed. Now in this case, suppose if it is successful, then else print. Now this is student table is deleted. Now fine, now if required I can use the finally also to close the connection, my connection dispose. Fine, so let's run this and see what message I am getting. Student table is deleted. So I am able to successfully delete the table. Now once again, suppose let me run this. What error message I will get? No such table student, because it is already deleted. So this is how we'll be dropping or deleting a table. Now this template or try exit block will be frequently using to execute in our queries.